Excel worksheets evolve over time to reflect the nature of your business and how you analyze its data, so you'll almost certainly end up changing some of your formulas. You can edit Excel formulas in two ways: within the cell and on the formula bar. Editing a formula within a cell lets you change the formula without moving your mouse all the way up to the formula bar, so it can save you a few seconds every time you want to make a change. To edit a formula within a cell, you double-click the cell that contains the formula you want to edit, click in the formula where you want to place the cursor, and then backspace or delete over the text that you want to change. And in this case, I will change the formula from a sum function to an average function. I have it spelled correctly, and I can press enter. And now instead of having the sum of the values from B3 and B4, I have edited the formula so that it finds the average. If you'd rather edit a formula on the formula bar where you can see more of the formula at a time without the distraction of other worksheet elements, all you need to do is click the cell that contains the formula, click the text on the formula bar, and you can click anywhere on the formula bar that you want. You don't have to do it near or in the formula, and then you can edit. So let's just say that I want to change back to the sum function. Type it in, everything looks right, hit return, and I've edited the cell so it now finds the sum of the values in cells B3 and B4. Finally, if you're in the middle of editing a cell and decide you don't want to keep any of the changes you've made, you can press the escape key to revert to the cell starting condition. So for example, if I were here and I started typing in average, and I thought, no, I really want to keep sum, the original formula that I had, I can press the escape key once to get rid of the formula autocomplete display, and then press the escape key again, and I'm out of the cell and it has reverted to its original formula. If you do press enter after you change a cell's contents, you can always press Ctrl-Z or click the undo button on the quick access toolbar to remove your changes. Editing a formula helps you refine your worksheet's contents to reflect your changing business needs. If you make a series of changes that won't be easy to reverse, you should make a backup copy of your workbook so you can have it around in case you want to revert to the original formulas or if you and your colleagues need to review the changes you've made.